Oh, do I love nature. Whoa! Didn't even realize you were there, folks. I'm Pat Leslie, and welcome to the most exciting nature show on your television. Exotic, wild, out of sight flowers. And at the end, boy, do we have a special surprise for you. The African Zombiwi. Oh, folks, yes. Most people think the African Zombiwi is a fake, a fraud. But no, we have live footage of it. It's incredible. But first, we have our flowers, boy, folks, for these out of sight. Check these out. The wow, white, yellow, purple-headed thing. Oh, dear. Oh, oh. You can see how the show gets so wild. Boy. All right. Folks, can you see this? Can you? Now this is rare. This is rare. Found in the garden of Garden Marvome. That's right. He has the only ones in the USA and in the world. All right, it's what feeds this bee. This flower is the bee suckle. Yes, it'll sit on it and it will give it its pollen. And moving on, over here. See that one? That flower. That is a show, right here, folks. Yes. Pull up your chairs at home and get ready to examine. Woo! All right. This here, see, we have this white outer rim shell. It protects it. It protects it. And this, my oh my. Yes, that is something else, isn't it? Oh, I love them. And as we move on down these steps, we have our friendly color of orange and our friendly color of green. That is right. Together they make the green-orange shebang. I'm just kidding. But anyway, yeah, I really don't know much about this, but it's a beautiful creature. Yes, it is. And now, are you ready for the thing of your... Oh, wow. This is just gonna blow you away. The African Zombiwi. Yes. Oh, boy, is this gonna be a surprise. You've only dreamed, you've only seen fakes, frauds, like you said. But folks, today we have the real thing like I told you earlier. Here we are, the African zombie. And it is right here, right there. That's your African zombie. Now let's see if we can get it out of here. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Ow! He's feisty, that's right. Come on, slowly. No. You can make it. Come on. Oh, he's making it slowly but surely. Folks, look at that creature move. See, folks, I can even feed it. Gotta be careful on this one. Hey, buddy. Come on. Folks, nature has gotten its revenge.
Yeah, hi. This is the end of this tape, but, we still have a lot to do. Alright, bye.